The Uponor ChlorFit butterfly valve is a reliable solution for large diameter CPVC piping systems in commercial buildings. This valve uses a quarter-turn disc mechanism for fast shutoff or precise flow control. Designed for compatibility with Schedule 80 CPVC, it delivers strength, chemical resistance, and long-lasting performance. Commonly found in plumbing, hydronic heating and cooling, and processed water systems, butterfly valves excel in applications where large volumes of water need to be isolated or controlled. Do not use butterfly valves in applications that exceed the pressure or temperature limits of CPVC Schedule 80 or where metal valves are specifically required. For best results, install using the proper flange adapters. Always check alignment to prevent stress on the piping and position the handle for easy access during operation. Using the 565 butterfly valve along with our full suite of Aquapex and ChlorFit products gives you a single source partner giving you the best solutions and services for all of your commercial projects.